Say what's up, Milo. Shoot, shoot. This is Milo. Milo, Milo.
Ooh, say what, say what, say what?
Good morning, beauties. It's 7:45 in the morning. And baby, we have been up for about an hour. My body woke me up before my alarm went off, which my alarm was supposed to go off at 7, and it did, but I got up before then, so I just stayed up. So on today's agenda, we have finishing the bookshelves, styling the bookshelves, styling my desk, opening up my Amazon orders. I need to hang a picture in my bathroom that I bought from Home Goods. I also have to go to the bank, and I also have to help my sister part and braid her hair. Today is going to be another busy day. She gets off at 2, so we're gonna see how much you guys want to talk to Milo. Say what's up, Milo. Shoot, shoot. This is Milo. Milo, Milo. Let me get up, get my clothes on, and get myself going. Alright, beauty, so this is what I'm rocking today. I got a white t-shirt from Walmart. My leggings are from Target. And then I'll be wearing my white Converse. They're by the door. I got this bag from Just Fab. I got my little stud earrings on. This is the purse. I got my tripod. My tripod is from Amazon. Yeah, let's head out the door. Alrighty, let's ride. Today is nice and gloomy. It is currently 65 degrees in Atlanta, and yeah, we out here in these streets. I say, Mama, I'm so sorry. I got eyes there where my heart is. I'm a heartbroken bitch, high heels, 6 inches in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. Starbucks time.
Don't got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word.
Alright, y'all. So I got my food. I get a venti iced matcha tea latte with oat milk, 6 pumps of brown sugar, sweet cream foam, caramel drizzle in the cup and on top every single time. And I drink with a straw. But no, this drink is absolutely delicious. And I got me a sausage, egg, and cheese. Why is this drink so good? I really wish I had a sunroof, because it's quite dark in my car. My next car is gonna have a sunroof though. This sounds just so good. I'm gonna eat. We'll head to the bank.
Hey, mama ain't shit. No, she won't let me see my son. Oh, but you fuck with him, mama pop my gun. Pussy ain't no one-on-one.
So I am currently out here in Woodstock. I just realized that they have a Sam's Club out here, and I know I need kitty litter. Okay, so let's go in Sam's Club real quick. So I've been trying to find me a nice thin material like hooded jacket, and I literally just found them, and they're at some clubs, and they're $16, and I'm gonna get 2. So I'm gonna get the black, and then I'm also get the gray. This is what that looks like. It has the little thumb cutouts, which is super cute. And so I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna try the gray one on and come back and show you. This one is the gray one, and it has pockets. So we have this cat litter, which is the Glad Tidy Cats. Then we have this cat litter. This has lightweight. So this one is 12 bucks. This is the Sam's Club brand. So I think I'm going to try this. I'm gonna get 2 of these. I already know today is getting ready to be a very long day because it is 10:43 and I haven't done anything at home. They make this parking lot so freaking little. It's literally ridiculous. So anyways, I'm about to go get some gas, UPS store, and then Marshall's. But I'm gonna go to the UPS store and Marshall's over there where I stay. So we got 9 minutes left, so let me go. Just kidding, I'm not in the mood for that. I have to like add my debit card and like all the extra shit. I'm not out of gas. But you know, I don't want to like hold people up. So whatever, I'll just get regular gas somewhere else. I mean, come on, bitch. Like, can you come on? Get out of my way. Oh, I'm talking shit. I don't even know where I'm going. Don't even know where I'm going. Don't even know how to get back home. How about that? How about that? So yeah, I'm about to head into the UPS store. I have 3 Amazon boxes that I need to return.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I saw.
Don't pay attention to nothing in the background. Mind your business. Anyways, I'm back home. I've been home for a few hours now. I sat down and ate. I got me some Little Caesars, hot and ready with garlic and parm, crazy bread with extra butter, and then I got me some hot wings. So I'm currently getting ready to ice right above my ankle. When I was getting out the car, as you guys see me, to go into the UPS store, I was closing the door with my leg, but like the way that I tried to close the door, I actually hurt myself. So yeah, currently icing that. I'm getting ready to go in here to help braid my sister's hair. This is gonna take a couple of hours. Yay me. I'm in the process of starting to rearrange my bookshelf that I got. And so I did end up putting the bookshelf up. Let me show you. So if you guys see, like at the very, very top right there, I put those on with command strips. And all of those will be in my haul. Yeah, let's get in here. Help Victoria start braiding her hair. And I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. So, let's go. Wait. Yeah, tragic. We're watching G.I. Joe. So this is the colorway that we do. Victoria is definitely tapping into her blonde. Yeah. Her blonde moment. Never usually this blonde. So this is the brand that we use, the 3X Free Trust Braid 301. This is a new one.
Because we usually mix ours like that.
It's 56 inches. We normally mix these two colors. So you normally mix the 613, and I'm pretty sure this one is T30. We normally mix those, but this pack came like this. Yeah, I'm waiting on my sister to finish the left side of her head and start on the right side of the head so I can finish braiding the left side of the head. Did you catch me or did you catch me? In the meantime, between time, I'm getting ready to go through my books that are back there on the floor. I'm really debating whether or not I should keep my Twilight saga. Out of all the books that I've read, and to be quite honest, I really haven't read that much. That was like my favorite. So first up, we have the Breaking Dawn saga. I remember the first book, which is Eclipse. My grandma gave me this when I was, I want to say in the 10th grade. I was just like, what the hell is this? What is this? This about vampires and stuff. Ain't nobody finna read this. I kid you not. A few months later, this book was all the rage. And I was like, I remember being at school and like people talking about it. And I was like, yo, I have that book. Where's that book at? Let me start reading that book. I probably read this book in like 3 days. I was so intrigued, so interested. This was such a good read for me. I have all the movies on DVD as well. I'm gonna keep it. I just feel like that book saga was such like a cult classic. So I'm gonna keep that. I have the Will Smith book. This is the book that I'm currently reading. Let's see what page I'm on. I'm on page 3. I'm still gonna keep this. I really want to read this. I just have to make time for it. So I have 5 books from Book of the Month Club. I was first introduced to this by Modern Millie here on YouTube. She's a coach. She's an influencer coach. I believe my first book was only like $5. I have The Devil Takes You Home, The Paris Apartment, Firstborn, The Write-In Retreat, What Lies in the Wood, Black Cake. I'm going to be keeping all of those. I let a friend borrow one of my 50 Shades of Grey books. She never gave it back to me, but I'm still going to keep these. I have the 50 Shades Freed and the 50 Shades Darker. I'm pretty sure I'm missing the very first book. I have to keep my Joel Osteen, Your Best Life Now. The Tongue, A Creative Force by Charles Capps. Here we go with these fireworks shit. These people need to go in the house. This book was actually gifted to me from my granny. I have to read this. It says, from Granny, 12/14 of 2012. Never throw this book away. Read it over and over. It will change your life and bring you happiness. Love always. This was one of my mom's Bibles, so I am definitely going to keep this. The Battlefield of the Mind. We would definitely be keeping this. Do y'all hear them fireworks in the background? Like, what the? I was sitting in my room last night minding my business, and all of a sudden you hear this big boom. Baby, it is not Memorial Weekend. Nobody wants to hear that. Nobody was expecting that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this ice pack off my leg. My back is hurting. My problems with time, my booty shaking from the left to the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Alright, beauties. The time is 11:48 at night. I am exhausted. As you guys can see, I still have yet to take my hair down. I haven't done any sort of maintenance to myself in quite some time. Tomorrow, I'm super excited about because me and Victoria are going to one of our favorite places. I've never been there. It's called Hot Pot and it's in Duluth, Georgia. Tomorrow you guys will see me dialed up. We're gonna do our makeup together. We're gonna vlog our experience, and yeah, just get some really great content. So I am super duper excited about that. I have a crook in my neck. I stood in the shower holding a hot towel on my neck for the longest time. I have my heating pad heating up. Today was yet another great day. I don't really know, or I don't really remember if I checked everything off of my agenda today, but I'm pretty sure I checked off a lot of stuff. Every day that God gives me is another day to achieve greatness. So, God willing, I will see you beauties in the morning. Good night. Good morning, beauties. Today is Sunday, and the time is 8:52 in the morning. Bruh, thank God I was able to get me some sleep last night. Because, baby, the way my neck was hurting, I plugged up my heating pad. Like, my neck was hurting that bad. So I used the Voltaren gel. This is for like arthritis. I feel like it targeted that area really good. Can you pour me some water? My neck feels better, and hopefully this will last me all day, and if not, I'll just put a little bit more. Thank you. Victoria stayed up till 1 o'clock in the morning because she was souped up on these magnesium pills. It's the magnesium buffered chelate. So it's essentially for energy and your immune system. There are so many different types of magnesiums. You would just have to look them up. If you're lacking in certain areas in your life, you really might need some magnesium. This is what the bottle looks like. Did you order these off of Amazon?
No. From the actual
Like website?
Yeah, the website.
Oh, they have a website, so you can go search these. Before I take those, I'm eating the Friendly Farms non-factory yogurt and blueberry. And then I have it with some granola. Well, look at you with the blonde. It's cute. Victoria never goes blonde. But she wanted to twin like me. So when Victoria dipping her hair. That's how we dip our hair at home. This is going to be the end of the vlog. You'll turn around and see me in the exact same outfit once you go watch the new vlog, because I'm going to stop this one and start my new one and kind of recap. So I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in to this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that we did together. Like always, make sure you follow me on my social media, on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I love you, beauties, and as always, stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in next week's vlog. Bye.